In this lesson, we're going to change the logo, the contact us. We need to link that so that people can be able to contact you. We need to change here this branding here with your information on it. And we also need to remove this little color section down here. And what this does is when you click on whatever color here, it's going to change the color for the template. And I'll show you that in a second. Let's first start off by changing the logo. So you go to Extensions, Template Manager, and you want to click on the GK News 2. Now this is where everything is being managed for the template. And you really don't want to change a lot here because you can change so much that you actually, mess up the template. So let's go to Basic Settings. Here you don't have to change anything at this top section here. But what you want to focus on, this is here where it says template color. Right now it's set to 1, which is just red. If you switch it and go to 2 and you click save, when you refresh it, you notice that the color has changed to a different color. Now let's go to 3. So all those numbers there are just based on the different color scheme that this particular template has. So you can choose whichever one that you like. This thing is like a purple, dark bluish type. And then so let's go to 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So once you've gone through these, you can make a selection of the color that you like the most. And also, if you notice here, the login button also changes based on the selection that you make. All right, so once you've selected that, you want to, go to the layout here, and you can change the width of this template, the layout, the template width, the table width, also for the mobile, the right banner. But I'm just going to leave these, as they are. But if you want to customize a little bit more, you can just play with the settings here and see what it looks like. For the fonts are, okay. Now for the features, you want to scroll down here, look at the logo. Now the logo right now is currently pulling from the CSS. So you have several options here. You can, pull the logo from a CSS, from an image, text, or you can just leave it as none. So if you want to do an image, you select the image and you can click select here, and you can just grab a logo that you want to put there. So let me just select this Joomla here, insert. So save. And once I refresh it, you notice that it's changed the logo for that. So it's pulling from the image now. So let's say if we want to put just text, whatever settings you choose, it overrides, the new settings. So for example, there's an image there right now, but if you want to select text, it's going to override that image. So let me just put here video sharing. And then when I click save, all right, there you have it. So I've refreshed it and it's showing the video sharing, which is one cool thing about this. You can just, when you scroll down, it automatically just fits in this section here. Let me just turn that to video S. And then if you have a slogan, you can put your slogan here. And there you have it, the slogan at the very bottom. And then now let's change the branding here, or this text here where it says template designed by. So you can change that. Let me stretch that out a little bit. Make sure that you're not deleting, any of the coding. So let me go back here. You have to make sure that you're deleting just the text. And then for the contact here, you can leave that an email and just replace that with yours. And this is the style switcher. The style switcher is this here at the bottom. So if you want these here not to show anymore, then you can change the style switcher. You can set that to disable. So once you've done that, you click save and you refresh this. You notice that you don't have that there anymore. And also the branding for this has been changed here with the link as well. So now let's go ahead and do the contact us. So once you're done, you can click save and close, and then you want to go to components, contacts. There's already a preset contact here. So just go to menus, footer menu, and then choose to contact us. Select menu item type. You want to go to contact, single contact, and then you click the contact that you want to choose. And don't forget to delete the alias, which has just a bunch of numbers on it, and then save and close. So now let's refresh this page again and see what that looks like. So you click on the contact, and it gives you all this information here. Now, if you want to change this here with information that's shown there, all you have to do is go to components, contacts, and you click on the contact us. This is going to pull up the information that you see here. So this is the email, the phone, the fax, the zip code, and everything else that's there. So you can feel free to just change it. So that's how you connect the contact us page with the front end. And the miscellaneous information here, you can keep that, or you can also delete it. And the way that you determine what shows and what doesn't show is when you go to the display. Now it's asking, do you want to show name? So if you click on the drop down, whatever you click hide, it's not going to show it on the front end. So for the street address, if you go here and you click hide, the address, once you come on the front end, it's not going to show that anymore. As you can see, that's not there completely. So you can come here and choose the street, the city, or whatever preference that you want. You can come here and make that. So I'm just going to leave that to global. Global settings means that it's just going to use the generic setting that's been set for this particular contact here. And you just want to play around with it and see what you come up with.